What causes you to sneeze? Sneezing is your body's emergency cleaning system for your nose. Inside your nose are tiny nerves that detect irritants like dust, pollen, or even pepper. When these particles touch the lining of your nose, they trigger a signal to your brain. Your brain then activates the sneeze reflex. In a split second, your chest muscles tighten, your lungs fill with air, and your body blasts that air out at high speed. The goal is to forcefully eject the irritant before it can reach deeper into your respiratory system. That's why sneezes can shoot droplets several meters away. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's not random. It's your body clearing your nose immediately. Subscribe for more health tips.